What's up? What's up,
Yeah,
James?
this is my favorite one right here. This is it, baby. I've been literally like dreaming of this day my whole life. Having an idea, seeing a bike that just was like your childhood superhero, you know, and then being able to hop on one. All you can do is like just imagine that you can be like that someday. So this bike handles great. I love how this sits in the cockpit. It feels like I'm a corner type person, a corner type rider. So like for me, this would be my bike of choice just because it feels, as you're coming into corners, you don't have to work super hard. You're already there. Like you come from here, doesn't take much energy. Just all you have to do is sit down, foot up. You're in the position that you need to be to go through your corners. So, you know, it'd be awesome to maybe see like a little bit more on the bottom end, kind of a little bit more power. I feel like I was having to pull on my jumps, which a lot of that can just be suspension settings. Within time, a little bit stiffer on the high speed compression. But man, all together, this is like just a solid bike right off the bat, man. You could ask for any more, especially at a track like today. Perfect, man.
Yeah, I can definitely tell you like the cockpit feel. Like you feel like you're in there on this bike for sure. I don't know if it's because it just sits so low right here, but
Bottom's not as good as Yamaha, but like I think the top pulls harder and further. Yeah, like once you have it in the power, it's so fun. And as long as you can keep it there, and then you're good, you know? Handling's good. Yeah, like it turns really well. It just needs to, I feel like the back end moves a little bit more. Like, I feel like this, like between the sag and stuff on that one, on the Yamaha, like when you compare the two, like straight line stability is not as good on this. But then you make up for it a little bit in the turn, so. Yep. Is that, did we copy?
The reason he can scrub, the reason Bubba can scrub so fucking gnarly on that is because he's in the cockpit.
It's like, it's so,
like
yeah, you can move it very well.
Mm-hmm.